Peter Drucker famously said, "Management is doing things right, leadership is doing the right things." Scaling agile in large organizations demands both. In this lecture, you will understand two popular frameworks for scaling agile: SAFe, Scaled Agile Framework, and LeSS, Large Scale Scrum. You will also learn how these frameworks work and see real-world examples of their application in large or distributed organizations. In this lecture, you will understand the need for scaling agile in large organizations, learn how SAFe and LeSS frameworks enable agile practices at scale, examine examples of applying SAFe and LeSS in real-world scenarios. Agile thrives in small teams, but as organizations grow, challenges like inter-team dependencies, misaligned priorities, and communication breakdowns emerge. Scaling Agile frameworks addresses these challenges. It provides structures and practices to coordinate multiple teams, maintain alignment, and deliver value consistently. Scaling is especially critical for distributed organizations, where teams work across different time zones, languages, and cultural contexts. Frameworks like SAFe and LeSS ensure these complexities do not dilute agile principles. SAFe is one of the most widely used frameworks for scaling agile. It organizes work at multiple levels to align teams with business objectives. Also, SAFe operates through Agile Release Trains, ARTs, which are long-lived teams of agile teams working together to deliver value. Each ART runs on a cadence, typically aligned with program increments, PIs, which are planning cycles lasting 8 to 12 weeks. PI planning, a collaborative event where all teams align on objectives for the upcoming increment. Lean portfolio management ensures that funding and resources are allocated to the highest priority initiatives. Continuous delivery pipeline, focus on automating workflows to ensure frequent and reliable deliveries. A global automotive company adopted SAFe to align its engineering, marketing, and IT teams. By running Agile Release Trains, the company was able to deliver features like connected car services and mobile apps faster. PI planning helped teams across continents coordinate efforts and avoid duplicating work. LeSS builds on the principle of Scrum, scaling them for larger organizations. LeSS emphasizes simplicity and aims to keep the structure as close to single-team Scrum as possible. In LeSS, one product owner oversees a single product backlog, and multiple teams work collaboratively on the same backlog. Coordination happens through shared events such as sprint planning, sprint review, and retrospectives. Whole product focus ensures all teams are working towards a unified product goal. Cross-team coordination. Teams work together through informal and formal mechanisms like joint sprint reviews. Minimizing waste. This avoids creating unnecessary roles, meetings, or artifacts. Both SAFe and LeSS provide solutions for scaling agile, but they differ in approach. SAFe is highly structured with defined roles, layers, and processes, making it ideal for organizations with complex hierarchies. LeSS prioritizes simplicity and flexibility, making it better suited for organizations that want to stay close to the original Scrum principles. Choosing between the two depends on your organization's size, culture, and goals. Imagine scaling agile as organizing a performance. SAFe is like conducting an orchestra, with each section, strings, woodwinds, brass, having a defined role and playing from a structured sheet of music. LeSS, on the other hand, is like leading a choir, where everyone sings the same song but adjusts dynamically to harmonize with the group. Different approaches work for different contexts, but the goal remains the same. Choose an organization you're familiar with, real or hypothetical, and analyze which framework, SAFe or LeSS, would be better fit for scaling agile practices. Provide reasons for your choice and suggest how the chosen framework could address your organization's challenges. Scaling agile is not a one-size-fits-all process, but frameworks like SAFe and LeSS offer valuable roadmaps for navigating the complexities of large or distributed organizations. Whether you need SAFe's structure or LeSS's simplicity, the key is aligning teams, maintaining agile principles, and focusing on delivering value. Let's discuss the scenarios where SAFe and LeSS work best and explore any alternative solutions you discovered. Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.